Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
I'm David, and I'm with Newegg today, and I'm here to show off the V-Color RAM that we got. We partnered up with them a couple months ago, and we love their kit right here. You can see we have a 2+2 kit right here, which is kind of unique for them. They actually come with two actual models, and they have two filler models to improve the look of the RAM. So you can see a lot of RGB that's showcasing on there. But the most important part and feature about this is they have an OLED monitor that has a screen on the RAM, right? And so that's amazing because I think this is the first one in the world that has a screen on the RAM. And so we absolutely love it. We wanted to showcase it right here on the floor. It connects directly onto the motherboard, and it's going to be powered directly there. And you can see the speed there. You can feel the temperature. You can see how much energy that it's drawing from. All that information right there on the screen itself, which is fantastic and amazing.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.